Hello there, welcome back to our channel, and today I'll be teaching you days of the week in Shona. So let's get started. Monday in Shona, Muvuro. Muvuro. Tuesday in Shona, Chipiri. Chipiri. Wednesday, Chitatu. Chitatu. Thursday, China. China. Friday, Chishanu. Chishanu. Saturday, Mugovera. Mugovera. And lastly, Sunday, Shondo. Shondo. And this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you liked it. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Tatenda.